Okay, welcome back. This is trend analysis and trend lines. Okay, so this is the introduction to trendline analysis. Concept of trendline analysis is its importance to trading, how it forms predictive market behavior. So, types of market trends. If you haven't noticed the bottom before, we have an uptrend, a downtrend, and we have a sideways horizontal trend, which is usually called a consolidation or a range. Usually have an uptrend when it's characterized by higher highs and higher lows. So you'll have higher high, higher low, higher high. Yeah? And then you'll have higher high, higher. Then you have higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. Okay? This is uptrend, this is downtrend. Just remember, higher highs for uptrend, lower lows for downtrend. So, drawing bullish trend lines. When you connect the lows of the price action with a straight line, this line acts as a support, and a bounce from this will confirm that it is an uptrend. See the touches, 1, 2, 3, and then it went a little bit under, and then it came back up, and then carried on the trend until this looks like it's going to break the trend and come down. Now, the more bounces it has, that confirms the uptrend is strong. And this is a bearish trend line. The more touches against the top of the bottom of the trend line, the more resistance there is, the stronger the trend line is going in a downward direction. You've got to make sure that you get the touches on a regular 3, 4, 5 touches. If the more touches, the stronger this line is, harder to break. The significance of trend lines. This is a nice, healthy, bullish trend line, and this is a nice bearish resistance trend line. Okay, the better the angle, the stronger the trend. The straighter the angle, the weaker the trend. You want an angle like this if you're looking to trade either way, and if you don't get an angle like that, then be mindful of the fact that this, when it does dip underneath or when this does come above, that could be a signal of getting out the trend. Okay, so we touched on the previous one about these being healthy trends. So you want to look for entry and exit points. Once you start seeing that this is holding and it's pulled back into the trend line, you want to start looking for a trade to the upside. First time it breaks and it comes back and it makes an appearance to come back, I usually would say if I was going to get in and out of a trade and take it as maybe getting an exit, I would take 2 candles in the color I'm looking for. So if I'm going long and I'm on green, I'm looking for 2 red candles to confirm that to close the trade. If you don't get 2 red candles, you want to continue until it get 2 red candles. The same with the bearish side of things. Once you get a touch, you look for a pullback. Once it gets a second touch and holds, you enter the trend, okay? And you enter the trade and go with the trend to the end of the trend or until it breaks through with 2 green candles, okay? So, trend analysis and trend lines are powerful tools for traders and investors. They offer insights into market momentum, potential future price movements as well. However, they should be used in conjunction with other analysis methods, and I'm going to show you at the end with a trade plan to help you have sound risk management and help you practice more informed trading decisions. So this is trendline analysis and an introduction to it and trend lines, and I'll see you on the next video.